back and you're watching Kevin Cube YT. So this is Zing from Cube. This is the logo, and here it says rotation is a smoother and standard structure with professional type material. And if for some reason here is a huge M right here, and it says speed cube set Zing Cube. Let's unbox it. I am old enough. Let's unbox it. Oh, so here are the dimensions: 5.7 to 5.7 centimeters. Okay, so it is so it is nice size. Okay, so the box was transparent and you can see the cube from inside. Let's check it. So there is nothing other than the cube itself. Wait, what it is? No, literally nothing inside it other than the cube, and no plastic covering as well. And I remember that while unboxing Z3 Cube YT from the mail, there was a horrible plastic covering. I don't know why they don't do something like this. So this is Jiehui cube, one of the cheapest cube in the market, only 70 rupees or $1. Okay. Clearly it has lighter shades of color. Let's see how the initial turning is. Wait. This is super blocky. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what I could expect of this anything else than being super blocky. It is only of 70 rupees. Wait, here is the 3 cube in comparison. I have made some marks in it so that I can grip it a bit easily. Quiet. Blocking. So it is a lot more smooth. Whereas this is a lot more blocky. Tensions are okay, I guess. It is not very loose and not very tight. So yeah. There is a lot of factory lube inside it and it's not that much oily. It is a bit, but not that much. Probably due to the texture in the plastic. Might that be the reason that I'm feeling something like that there is oil in it, but I cannot say for certain. But yeah, tube itself is not bad, but let's see the corner cutting. Okay, expected that. So it doesn't cut 45. No, it actually does, but it actually takes a lot of effort for me to cut at 45 degree. Yeah, let me check the reverse corner cutting. Okay, that was weird. Let's try again. It is not cutting reverse. Okay, so it is not cutting reverse properly, but I guess that's fair enough because it's only of 30 rupees. The pieces in this are, let me see how they are. They remind me of Mailong for some reason. So it is really very unstable, which is kind of okay because I like this sort of puzzles a lot. I enjoy puzzles which are totally uncontrollable for no reason. Let's do a quick solve in this. I'm using beginner C4 for no reason. So let's do it. Here I am solving a cube as usual. I don't know why I do that. Totally not habitual of solving in this color shade and this type of cube. Okay, so this is way out of control than I expected it to be, but fair enough. Because it is quite uncontrollable and it has done some good cutting, but not very great. Also, it's a lot more noisy. Let me see how the caps are. Okay, clearly not the best type. Oh no, I don't think this cube will stay for very long if you don't keep it properly. As you can see, the plastic is not extended to hole up to the screw, whereas here it does in G3 Magic Cube. But Jiehui Cube plastic is just right here till here, which is I guess a problem, because if you try to extend the screw a bit, then it will cause problems to you to actually put the cap. But considering the cube is already pretty smooth and pretty fast, I don't think that it will ever be a problem. So overall, what I can say is that just don't unscrew it. It is already very good. Also, if you want, then you can magnetize it. My magnetizing tutorial is coming soon, so yeah, let's do another quick solve in this. And I don't know why I'm doing this, wasting my time like this. I should do something which is more productive than making YouTube videos, but probably I will not be able to do that. This is actually pretty loose. I don't know why, but it feels like that this thing needs magnets to perform actually good. Yeah, this definitely need magnets. Let me see, does it have, or I suspected that already. So it don't have magnets. So why this M is right here? This type of thing are usually when you have magnets in the cube, but I guess it don't. Also, the caps are not made up of primary tunnels, and here is how the edge piece looks like. It's reminding me of Meilong for some reason. So yeah, that's it. This was the unboxing of Jiehui Cube, and I have to say, for 80 rupees it's not bad, but I would recommend Z3 Magic Cube instead. But anyways, I guess I need to spend more time with this to fully understand how good it is as a cube. But yeah, for right now I cannot say anything for certain. I don't know why, but it seems like this cube can be my new main. But I have suspicion for this because of the center cap design. I mean, the center caps can be a lot more good. Like you can just have similar design to Z3 Magic Cube, where the plastic cap covering is extended all up, because that actually helps the cube to stay in a rather good quality. For the center caps, because it is a speed cube, right, and you are going to turn it very aggressively, I guess, so there should be a better spring core mechanism. But other than this spring core mechanism, right now I cannot say anything better of the cube rather than it getting stuck sometimes while corner cutting. So it definitely needs some sort of tensioning and magnetization in it, but other than that, yeah, it's pretty good. Also, for some reason, whenever I touch it, it feels like my fingers are totally oily. Either they are really very oily, or this plastic is helping me to feel like that. No. Yeah, it's definitely due to the plastic, how the plastic is. Anyways, that was unboxing of Jiehui Magic Cube, Jiehui Rubik's Cube, Jiehui 3x3, whatever you may call it. Hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe. Also, tomorrow I will announce the result of giveaway, so don't miss that up. I'll see you tomorrow.